Is your Android Wi-Fi acting up? Pages won't load, apps say no internet, and nothing seems to work? Don't worry, this quick guide will help you fix it fast. Step 1. Quick Settings Check. Swipe down from the top to open Quick Settings. Make sure Wi-Fi is on and airplane mode is off. Tap the Wi-Fi icon to turn it off and turn it back on to refresh the connection. Step 2. Reconnect to your network. Go to Settings. Tap Network and Internet, then tap Internet. Tap your Wi-Fi network, then tap Forget. Now tap it again, enter your password, and reconnect. Double-check the password. If it's wrong, Wi-Fi won't work. Step 3. Test another device. Try loading a page on another device using the same Wi-Fi. If nothing works, the issue is likely your router. Step 4. Restart your router. Unplug your router for 10-15 seconds. Plug it back in and wait until the lights are stable. Step 5. Restart your phone. Hold the volume up and power button, then tap Restart. Once it powers back on, reconnect to Wi-Fi and test a website or YouTube video. Step 6. Reset Wi-Fi settings. If it's still not working, go to Settings. Tap System. Then tap Reset Options. On most phones, you'll see Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. On Pixel, it may show Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi or Reset Mobile Network Settings. Choose the option that resets Wi-Fi. Now click Reset to confirm. This won't erase your apps or photos, but you'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth devices. Step 7. Reconnect and test again. Go back to Network and Internet. Tap Internet and connect to your Wi-Fi and test it. Step 8. Check VPN or security apps. If other devices work fine but your phone doesn't, a VPN or firewall app might be blocking the connection. Turn off any VPN or security app and try again. After these steps, your Android Wi-Fi should be back online. Subscribe for more quick Android fixes and tech tips. Bonus tip: if you're still stuck, check for system updates. Go back to Settings. Tap System. Then tap Software Update. Sometimes a bug fix is all it takes.